The deep seabed, commonly referred to as the area, is the portion of the ocean floor that lies beyond the limits of national jurisdiction, typically starting at depths of around 200 meters and extending to over 6,500 meters. This vast, largely unexplored region covers approximately 50% of the Earth's surface and is critical to understanding not only marine ecosystems but also the geological and climatic processes that shape our planet. The deep seabed is characterized by a diverse array of geological formations, each contributing to the unique environment of the deep sea. These flat, expansive areas are among the most extensive habitats on Earth, formed by the gradual accumulation of sediments over millions of years. Abyssal plains are typically found at depths of 3,000 to 6,000 meters and are often covered with fine, organic-rich sediments. Underwater mountains that rise from the ocean floor, seamounts can reach heights of over 1,000 meters. They often serve as hotspots for biodiversity, providing habitats for a variety of marine species. Seamounts can also influence ocean currents and nutrient distribution. These underwater geysers release superheated, mineral-rich water, creating unique ecosystems that thrive in extreme conditions. Hydrothermal vents are often found along mid-ocean ridges and are characterized by high levels of sulfur and other minerals, which support specialized life forms. Areas where methane and other hydrocarbons seep from the ocean floor, cold seeps support unique communities of organisms that rely on chemosynthesis, similar to hydrothermal vents. These ecosystems are often rich in biodiversity and can include large aggregations of clams, mussels, and other organisms. The deep sea is home to an astonishing variety of life forms, many of which are uniquely adapted to survive in extreme conditions. Organisms in the deep sea exhibit remarkable adaptations to high pressures, low temperatures, and complete darkness. For example, many deep-sea fish have large eyes to detect faint light, while others have developed bioluminescent capabilities to attract prey or communicate. Some notable deep-sea organisms include: these creatures produce light through biochemical reactions, which they use for predation and communication. Found near hydrothermal vents, these worms can grow several meters long and rely on symbiotic bacteria to convert vent chemicals into energy. Unlike their shallow water counterparts, deep-sea corals can live for thousands of years and provide essential habitats for various marine species. Hydrothermal vents and cold seeps support specialized food webs, with chemosynthetic bacteria forming the foundation. These bacteria use chemicals from the vents or seeps instead of sunlight to produce energy, supporting diverse communities, including tube worms, clams, and various crustaceans. The deep seabed is rich in valuable mineral resources, making it a target for exploration and potential exploitation. These potato-sized lumps found on the ocean floor are rich in metals such as nickel, cobalt, copper, and rare earth elements. They are formed over millions of years and are essential for various modern technologies, including batteries for electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. Found near hydrothermal vents, SMS deposits contain high concentrations of valuable metals like gold, silver, and copper. These deposits are formed from mineral-rich fluids that precipitate when they come into contact with cold seawater. These crusts form on the flanks of seamounts and contain high concentrations of cobalt, nickel, and other metals. They are of particular interest for their potential use in batteries and other technologies. To extract these resources, advanced technologies such as robotic mining machines and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are employed. These machines are designed to operate under extreme conditions, capable of navigating the deep ocean floor to collect valuable materials. The Clarion-Clipperton Zone in the Pacific Ocean is a primary target for these mining activities, attracting interest from multiple countries and corporations. While the potential for resource extraction is significant, deep-sea mining poses considerable environmental risks. Mining operations can disrupt delicate habitats, crush living organisms, and remove substrate habitats essential for marine life. The physical disturbance of the seafloor can lead to long-lasting changes in local ecosystems. The process of mining can generate sediment plumes that spread through the water column, smothering marine organisms and altering local habitats. These plumes can travel long distances, impacting areas far from the mining site. The machinery used in deep-sea mining generates noise and light, which can disrupt the behavior of deep-sea species, including fish and marine mammals. These impacts can lead to changes in communication, feeding, and migration patterns. The potential for chemical leaks and spills during mining operations poses additional risks to marine ecosystems. Contaminants can accumulate in the food web, affecting not only marine life but also human health through seafood consumption. The governance of deep-sea mining is complex and involves multiple international agreements and organizations. Established under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, the ISA is responsible for regulating deep-sea mining activities in the area. Its mandate includes ensuring that the resources of the deep seabed are developed sustainably and equitably, benefiting all of humanity. The ISA emphasizes the importance of sustainable development in its operations, requiring exploration contractors to collect baseline data and conduct scientific research to understand the potential long-term impacts of deep-sea mining. This includes assessments of biodiversity and ecosystem health. The governance of the deep seabed requires international collaboration, as the resources are considered the common heritage of mankind. This principle underscores the need for equitable sharing of benefits derived from deep-sea resources and the protection of marine environments. Scientific exploration of the deep sea is essential for understanding its ecosystems and the impacts of human activities. Organizations like the Schmidt Ocean Institute and the Ocean Exploration Trust conduct research expeditions to study deep-sea ecosystems. These expeditions utilize cutting-edge technology, including ROS and autonomous underwater vehicles, OVs, to capture stunning footage of underwater life and collect valuable data. Ongoing research has led to the identification of new species and ecosystems, highlighting the deep sea's importance in global biodiversity. Many of these discoveries have implications for our understanding of evolution, adaptation, and the potential for life in extreme environments. Scientific research in the deep sea often includes public engagement initiatives, allowing people to witness the wonders of the deep through live-streamed expeditions and educational outreach. This helps raise awareness about the importance of ocean conservation and the need for sustainable practices. The deep sea plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and supporting marine biodiversity. Ocean currents transport nutrients and heat around the globe, influencing weather patterns and marine ecosystems. The deep sea acts as a carbon sink, sequestering carbon dioxide and helping to mitigate climate change. Changes in deep sea conditions can have far-reaching effects on global climate and biodiversity. The ocean is integral to human culture and spirituality, providing essential ecosystem services, including climate control, food provision, and health benefits. Many coastal communities rely on the ocean for their livelihoods, and the cultural heritage of these communities is often intertwined with marine resources. The deep sea contributes to numerous ecosystem services, including nutrient cycling, habitat provision, and climate regulation. Protecting the ocean is vital for maintaining these services and ensuring the well-being of humanity. The deep seabed is a critical component of our planet's ecosystem, with significant geological, biological, and economic importance. As we explore and exploit its resources, it is essential to balance these activities with environmental protection and sustainable development. The International Seabed Authority plays a key role in regulating these activities, ensuring that the resources are developed for the benefit of all mankind while safeguarding the marine environment. Understanding and protecting the deep seabed is crucial for the health of our planet and future generations. As we stand on the brink of a new era in deep-sea exploration and mining, it is imperative to foster international cooperation, prioritize scientific research, and promote sustainable practices to ensure that this vital part of our planet is preserved for years to come. Please subscribe to our channel for more hidden stories of the world.